Sulit ba ang 1,288 na breakfast buffet dito sa Seda Vertis North? Well, for today's vlog, yan ang alamin natin. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako and let's go! So, andito nga tayo guys sa Seda Vertis North and itatry nga natin yung kanilang breakfast buffet dito sa Misto. So, tara guys, samahan nyo kami and i-food review natin itong kanilang mga food choices and tingnan natin kung worth it ba yung babayaran natin na 1,288 sa kanilang breakfast buffet. Rise and shine! So guys, dito nga kami nag-staycation sa Seda Vertis North and kahapon nga kami dumating. So I'm looking forward kaya gumising ako ng maaga para itry yung kanilang breakfast buffet. So time check. It's 6:15 a.m. So yan guys, pasok na tayo sa loob. And I'm so excited to see their food choices and at the same time, itry yung kanilang mga food choices. Welcome to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels. Like, share, and subscribe. So, yung first station na makikita nyo will be the fresh fruit station, followed by the cereal station. Kasama dito yung kanilang yogurts and meron rin silang mga oats and fresh milk. So, yan. Ito yung area na yan. So, yan yung unang bubungad sa inyo. Next, followed by yung kanilang fresh garden salad station. Yan o. Ang sarap, very fresh. And itong kanilang cold cuts and cheese. It looks enticing and beautiful. Yan naman yung kanilang mga salad dressing. Meron rin ditong mga broccoli and macaroni salad. And ito yung parang pinaka-highlight, yung cheese area. So dito naman tayo mag-move on sa kanilang rice and sausages. And andito yung kanilang carving station, yung ham, and andito rin yung kanilang bacon. So, meron rin ditong mga potato wedges and meron ding, I think parang giniling siya. And then, dito naman sa side na to guys, is yung kanilang congee station and hot pot station. So, yan, ipapaluto mo yan sa kanila, yung different kinds of noodles. So, dito naman sa side na to guys, yung kanilang egg station. Yan, pwedeng sunny side up or pwedeng magpaluto ka rin ng scrambled egg. So, next station, hindi mawawala ang kanilang mga longganisa, tocino, meron ding atsara, and dried fish or yung mga tuyo, meron din dyan. So, yan. So, dito naman tayo mag-move on sa kabilang side ng kanilang Misto restaurant. So, yan as you can see na empty pa almost lahat ng chairs and tables kasi nga ang aga pa, it's around 6:20 a.m. So, ito yung kanilang pastry and bread station. Ang daming choices ng mga donuts and then maraming types of breads and yung croissant. So yan, ang daming choices dito ng breads and pastries. So very aesthetic talaga and very classy yung kanilang restaurant dito sa Seda Vertis North. Very social and ang ganda ng vibe. Yan, di ba? So, travel tips, agahan nyo guys kung gusto mo dito mag-breakfast buffet. So, yan. So, check natin yung kanilang preparation ng food. So, meron sila ditong open kitchen. Ayan, pine-prepare na yung kanilang mini pancakes. And, ito naman yung kanilang waffles. And yung different kinds of jam. Meron dyang raspberry, I think, blueberry, and strawberry. And ang legendary croissant. So, it looks so good and yummy. So guys, show ko sa inyong aming table. So we are here at table 55 and 54. So guys, this is my first plate. So meron ditong fresh garden salad, merong bacon, croissant, waffle, fresh fruit, and then meron ding coffee, yogurt, and yung masarap na guava chill juice. Tara guys, let's eat! So ito guys yung kanilang juice station. So merong detox water, mango, guava, and apple. So for me, ang best choice dito and must try itong guava chill juice. Kakaiba and masarap yung lasa. I think nakadalawang serving ako niyan kasi nga ang sarap and nagustuhan ko siya. So now guys, this is my second plate. So pili na tayo ng mga food. So kumuha ko ng sausage, ng rice, and then tinikman ko again yung kanilang ham and yung bacon. And then of course, nagpaluto rin ako ng egg omelette. So yan guys, take a look on my second plate. So ito yung mga nakuha ko for my second plate. Tara guys, let's eat. So merong bacon, merong ham, and then my omelette, and then rice, and of course, yung guava juice na sinabi ko sa inyo na perfect talaga dito sa breakfast nila. At the same time, kumuha rin ako dito ng tuyo and then yung vinegar na may paminta, and tinry ko rin tong kanilang lechon paksiw na must try din. So next guys, it looks so good rin itong champurrado nila with milk at may konting dilis on top. So overall guys, nasatisfy and masarap yung kanilang mga food choices dito sa Seda Vertis North, dito sa kanilang breakfast buffet sa Misto. So I'm satisfied and I highly recommend this place, especially dun sa mga naghahanap ng maraming food choices and array of dishes na merong American, continental, and Filipino food choices. Aside from sa kanilang breakfast buffet, meron rin silang mga a la carte dishes dito. So yan, so yung mga different choices nila. So share ko rin sa inyo yung kanilang mga a la carte dishes para may idea rin kayo. Here it is. So, ayan guys, tapos na nga tayo kumain and talagang must try and I highly recommend this breakfast buffet dito sa Seda Vertis North. So, nagtatanong pala kung saan located to. So, ito yun guys. So, here's the complete address. So that's it for today guys. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. So stay tuned kayo after i-feature ko tong vlog na to. My next vlog will be yung room tour and hotel review dito naman sa Seda Vertis North. Watch out for that. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels, for more travel and informative vlogs. Thank you for watching. Bye!